What if I told you that this channel grew from 0 to 90,000 subscribers with just 8 videos? This extremely fast growth is becoming more and more common, and today I'm going to go over how this channel and many others managed to do it and how you can start implementing their strategies and do it too. This video should give all you new creators a sense of hope because I'm about to prove that your videos don't need to be perfect to go viral. So now let's dive in and take a look at what this channel is doing to grow so fast and give you an easy to understand blueprint on what you can do to achieve these same results. Taking a first glance at this channel, it is clear that not a lot of effort was put into designing a logo or banner. This just proves that you don't need to be a graphic designer to start a YouTube channel. The about section is simple and the name has a nice ring to it, but these elements are not what led this channel to so much success. Their success lies within the videos themselves. The first and most notable part of this channel is their niche. They capitalized on a niche that wasn't oversaturated but had demand, as men are always looking to level up their self-improvement, especially in the summer. When taking a look at this channel's thumbnails, they are extremely simple and can easily be recreated by any inexperienced user in just a few minutes. Now obviously every video on this channel is different, but I found some consistencies within their upload that I believe directly correlate to their massive success. The first big takeaway is that this creator always establishes a sense of credibility within the first seconds of the video. In a niche like this especially, it is extremely important that you give your viewers a reason to trust you and not just click away from your video. The second takeaway we can learn from this channel is that they have on-screen text throughout the entire video. So many creators don't understand that text is one of the biggest retention hacks that popular YouTubers are using. When text is on the screen, the viewer is subconsciously reading in their head, which keeps them engaged in the entire time. The third and most controversial takeaway from this channel is that their videos are short. Not short as in literal 30-second videos, but 2 to 3 minute pieces of content loaded with lots of information. This applies mainly to educational channels like mine, but the viewer clicks because they want to learn, and if you can't provide this, they will definitely leave your video extremely fast. To combat this, don't hyperload your video with useless information just to reach 8 minutes. What you should do is include only what is 100% important to you and your viewer. But this channel is not the only new channel that has began to grow extremely quick on YouTube. Let's take a look at this channel, which gained over 50,000 subscribers with only 4 videos. This channel relies on heavy keyword research to find video ideas that they know will result in views. For instance, a few months ago, AI video creation was one of the most searched keywords at the time. Therefore, Superprime capitalized on this and turned it into an intriguing yet clickable title for the viewer. Now, unlike the first channel, this channel's videos are much longer, sometimes even over 15 minutes. The reason for this is that this channel's creator has mastered the editing to achieve the perfect audience retention. If you don't know what I mean, just check out one of his videos and I guarantee you won't get bored. The third channel we're going to be taking a look at has gained over 1 million subscribers and 475 million views with just 50 videos. I wanted to include this channel to the list because unlike the other two, their videos are not search based and are completely just viral content ideas. Documentary style videos like Sunny V2 have been performing well on YouTube for quite some time, but this channel takes a documentary style and puts a comedy twist on it with funny thumbnails and hilarious editing. I truly believe this niche of videos heavily relies on a good idea to go viral, but can easily be recreated by anyone right now. A few months ago, I had created a channel in the soccer niche which had a viral YouTube short, but unfortunately I wasn't able to monetize due to copyright, so I recommend keeping this in mind. On the other hand, the Kickflix channel balances long form content and consistent shorts posts. More than half of their channel's total views came from their shorts, which just proves shorts are one of the best ways to grow fast on YouTube. I personally haven't used shorts to grow this specific channel, but I definitely plan to in the future. When we take all the data that we have gathered from across these 3 channels, some commonalities start to appear. The first 2 channels both use credibility to establish their intros. All of the channels listed provide some form of education or information to the viewer, and the second and third channel both provide long yet entertaining content. All of this information can generally apply to any YouTube niche and be used to your advantage to see the same results as all the channels mentioned. I will leave some links in the description so you can check out these channels and analyze them yourself. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.